What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to change a or remove a iPad battery. Very easy. You don't need a knife, you don't need a hair dryer. All you need is just a card and a Zippo fluid. Let's do this. Okay, actually I never used any hair dryer before because I feel when I use it I feel like it's not safety because it's a battery. The moment you heat it up, so I'm afraid it's gonna explode. So think about how to remove this battery without damaging anything. So this is how I do. Alright, it's very simple. You just need to pour the Zippo fluid and all the glue will slowly loose. See, just use a card to remove it. Those who never tried this should try it, and it's very cheap. It's only cost me about 9 ringgit. Okay, yeah, see how easy. No hair dryer, no anything. Thank you for watching. Bye.